welcome back to another video. As you can see by the title of this video, you're going to be watching my vanity / desk transformation. I swear I feel like I've been working on this for what feels like 3 years, but it's only been like a month considering like shipping times and stuff, so I really shouldn't be complaining because it should have even taken longer. Quick side note, I also want to thank people that work for Amazon, UPS, like shipping, all that stuff. At the end of the day, you guys are considered an essential worker and you are also putting your life at risk, so I want to thank you guys for all your hard work if you're watching this. So yeah, I don't want to talk your ear off. We're gonna get right into the video, and I'll try to link everything that you see in the video down in the description below. Hopefully everything is still in stock, and sorry for the lighting change. Also sorry I'm two different tones. I've been tanning and you can see. Anyways, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I never say that, but I feel like that's just kind of a given, you know. But yeah, let's get right into this video. Hey guys, so I am back today and I'm actually doing something kind of exciting. The last few days I've been feeling very creative, very motivated, and I decided that I was gonna redo my vanity area. Currently it's organized. It's like an organized mess. Like, I feel like it's very cluttered, and I am all about organization, as you guys know, and I just needed something different, something more practical. In the process of doing this and looking for things to help me organize, I realized that a lot of things are either sold out, don't exist because only I come up with these things in my head, and they just seem to be like impossible to find online. So I decided to do a lot of DIY stuff in the midst of this, which is what I just got done doing, which I'll explain in a second. But this is what the area looks like currently. Don't mind that just happened like a second ago, but there was nothing here. But what I mean is, like, there's just stuff here, like I can't. And my room is very small, so I kind of have to try to organize as best as I can to not make it look so cluttered in such a small space. So I have ideas in my head. So right now I just got done DIYing this vase because I don't want to keep this like flower arrangement that I have here. I kind of want to do something else. I ordered something off Etsy. My arm is getting tired, and that actually just shipped this morning, so I'm hoping I get it by tomorrow because the girl doesn't live that far from me, so fingers crossed. But I ordered a Pampas grass. I don't know, but you'll see when I get it. But I needed a vase to go with it, and for the life of me, I could not find a black vase. Like, they just don't exist, and if they do, they cost $1 million. So I ordered a plain glass vase, cost me like 10 bucks, and some matte spray paint. So I just got done doing that. I didn't record it because I just completely forgot. I got too excited, but I'll show you guys the finished product. Right now it's outside. It's kind of just like drying, but yeah, so I'm gonna take you along this journey. Alexa, play Rufus Du Sol Radio on Pandora.
Rufus Du Sol Radio from Pandora.
Alexa, pause. Alright, so I bought this at Target. Right now, I'm just kind of seeing if it'll fit. It's bigger than what I thought it was, and I don't know. I'm getting a new mirror thing off Amazon, so I don't know if it's just gonna be way too much. Before I figure that out, I kind of want to tackle this drawer thing. As you can see, it's quite the mess, and I want to fit whatever is in here. So I'm gonna work on this. I'll touch back when I figure something out. Y'all, pray for me. I barely made a dent. Look at how dirty it was. I'm so sad. Oh man. Alright, this is what it looks like so far. Very nice, compact. Now we just have all this. We'll make it work. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like right now. This is the thing that I spray painted. I ended up using this Uber matte spray paint from Michaels. It actually turned out really good. I guess I could have put that like Mod Podge to kind of like make it stay, but I kind of like it like that because it's super matte. I feel like with the Mod Podge it kind of would make it a little bit shinier, but that's just me. And I can't wait for everything to come in. So these things aren't gonna be here, if that makes sense. I'm gonna have a different flower, not gonna have this bulky thing, and I'm gonna have a different mirror. But yeah, it's coming together. Unexpected package. Okay, and as you can see, I haven't updated you guys in a minute because I was still waiting on receiving things, but I think the main thing just arrived and I'm so excited. I was just about to unbox this box. Whoa, I want to show you this. Pretty sure this is the mirror, so let's open it up and see what's inside. I really hope it's not broken because I'm gonna be so upset. This is heavy. Oh shoot. I hate styrofoam. Fun fact. Moment of truth. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I think we're good. I think we're good. Bro, my heart's beating so fast thinking that it was gonna come broken. Because there was only about maybe 3 reviews from this seller. And 2 of them were good. The other one was bad. She received it cracked. And for me, it just takes that one bad review to kind of question things. But it was a super good deal, so I couldn't pass it up. I was like, I'll just risk it. If it doesn't work out, I'll just send it back. But oh my gosh. This is what it is right now. Let me take it out of everything and try to install it. And then we'll get back when I finish doing that. Look at how beautiful it is. Let me turn it on. What? Oh my gosh, I could not be happier. This is what it was missing the whole time. I actually have like a mini version of the Impressions vanity mirror, like the little travel sized ones, I guess. I would only use that to do my makeup, and it's great, so I'm still gonna be using it, but now it'll just be strictly for like when I travel. But now I have this one and it's like the perfect size. And I'm still waiting in for like my cups for my brushes. And I also got this like gold plate thing. You guys will see when that comes in. But oh my gosh, it looks so good, guys. And it's the perfect size. Not too big, not too small. Perfect. So happy with this. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the finished look.